Hey guys, JSam Hilton here with ORB Radio, and I just had a little bit of a revelation, if you will, while I'm driving. I'm out sourcing product today for Amazon, and I kind of came to the realization that now that I've shown you how to sell with the Amazon Quick Start Guide, which a lot of you have not taken advantage of, by the way. That thing has way too few number of views for how much quality content is inside of it. But regardless of that, go check it out. It's on YouTube. It's also on my webpage at orbradio.com. You can get your free copy of it there, get the link to it at least. And there's nothing to sell. I'm not selling a mentorship program, not selling anything. Just go learn how to sell. It's free information. That's it. But anyway, I've taught you how to sell. Now here's the follow-up. It's time to show you what it looks like. What it looks like in my day-to-day. And I think I'm going to turn this channel into kind of more around the idea of a vlog and showing you what it looks like to be a reseller in the day in and day out. And here's the first part of it. I'm headed to Allgood, Tennessee to go to a Walmart in rural America, which are the best Walmarts in my opinion. But even then you can find money in urban Walmarts, no question. But I'm going to a rural Walmart out here in the middle of nowhere, Tennessee. Just left my house in Mount Juliet, Tennessee, and it's bright and early. And we're going to get started with that kind of thing today. So I'm going to let you guys know what I find, what I'm looking at, and we'll see how it turns out. But like I said, I just want to start sharing with you guys what it looks like on a day-to-day basis, so you can see if this is something that's right for you, and you can start taking action in your life and making gigantic steps towards financial freedom or owning your own business or whatever it might be that your goal is. And yeah, so anyway, stay tuned. Alright guys, first Walmart here in Allgood, Tennessee was kind of a bust. I mean, I've hit it a few times in the past month, so that can happen. You know, I've kind of already sourced what I like to call the low-hanging fruit, which that's kind of my strategy today. I just came home from tour, and I'm out here just trying to catch the best deals, the lowest prices, and go to the places where I know I can make money. Which, the way I do that, by the way, is I use Inventory Lab, the accounting software, to see where most of my sales have come from for the past month. And then I go back to those places about a month later, and I try and go drain some more profit out of it. It makes sense to go to the places where you know there's money. So anyway, I was here, only spent about 160. My budget today is I want to spend 500 a day, which equates to roughly, you know, I think it's like 1,200 or 1,300 in sales, and basically breaks down to about 300 to 500 in profit, depending on what you're finding. So that's the goal for today, and that's just because I have a little bit of a short work day today. Got some family health issues going on that I got to follow up with. But yeah, anyway, that was the first Walmart. I bought like a cooler, like an Ozark Trail cooler. I bought a whole bunch of tennis gear. I bought, I'm trying to think what all I found in there. A couple toys, and yeah, oh, and a couple like water filters and some stuff like that. But yeah, never discount products in your mind. Always do the research. You never know. There's products that I've looked at 100 times and they haven't been profitable, and I look at them at that one time and they just happen to be profitable. So always keep scanning, and you know, you never know what you're going to find. So let's move on to the next Walmart. I'm going to do some research here and see where I'm headed next, and follow up with my family, make sure they're doing good. And yeah, so talk to you soon. All right guys, I'm walking into a Walmart here in Cookeville, Tennessee. Here in Tennessee, they call it Cookeville. It's not Cookeville, like I would assume. Anyway, I'm headed in right now, and we're gonna do a little sourcing here. I don't normally hit this one. It's a little more urban than I like, but we're gonna see how it goes. I haven't hit it in a long time, maybe ever, now that I'm thinking about it. But anyway, we're gonna go in and see how it works. I don't film in Walmarts because it's actually against store policy. Not a lot of people know that, but I don't want to get kicked out. So anyway, I'll let you know what I find. All right, you guys, I just told you, I literally just said in that last video clip, hey, make sure you scan stuff twice because months later it could be worth money. Well, here we are. I just scanned these routers that have been on the clearance shelf for, I mean, over a year. I've been looking at them for over a year. And I just scanned them because I hadn't seen them in a while. And sure enough, I'm gonna make $115 a piece on these routers. So anyway, Urban Walmart, not a bust today. So that's great. we're gonna go ahead and call it a day and head on home. I did hit my, well, I basically hit my 500 spin goal. I spent about 485, and you know, with those major profit margins on the routers, it's gonna be a good day. So anyway, I'll post some numbers in here as to what the shipment came to total, and yeah, anyway, it was a good day. I'll see you guys next time.